welcome to AER channel, and welcome back to Surfacing series. In the previous lecture, we showed how we can create a surface by using closed sketch contour. In this lecture, we are gonna show how we can also create a surface by using open sketch contour. So here, we have only two lines, line 1 and line 2. So let's go to Surface tab, and let's go with Extruded Surface. And let's choose this sketch, and we can see the preview. We have a line, and here we have a depth. We can increase the depth, like this. Let's click OK. And now as we see, we created a surface by using open sketch contour. Let's go edit. As well, we can go to direction 2. So we have the direction 2. Let's go with 50mm. Like this. As well, we can use here a draft. So we can turn draft on and off. Let's go on. Let's increase our angle, like this, to 10 degrees. We can go draft outward, inward, outward, as we want. Under direction 2, we can also go with draft. Let's go on. Let's increase the angle to 5. And let's check draft outward, like this. Let's click OK. So we got something like this by using open sketch contour. We can also create a surface by using only one line. To show that, first we have to delete our surface extrude. Right click and delete. And now let's go to sketch 1. Edit. Let's delete this line, like this. Now let's go to surface, extruded surface, and here we see the preview. We have a line. Here we can change the depth, like this. We can also go to direction 2, like this. And we can turn on the draft. So now as we see, we can get something like this. By using only one line. And here, we can also turn on draft. Let's increase the angle, like this. Let's click OK. And now as we see, by using only one line, we got this surface. So to create a surface, we only need one line, and we can use open sketch contour and closed sketch contours. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. Hope it can be a little helpful and useful.
byScorez.